Namaskar, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are well at your home and you are also doing your studies. It is your computer class for class 4, chapter 4, advanced feature in MS Word, part 3. So, in our last class, we have discussed about that how we can add a header in a presentation, how we can add a footer, and how we can check spelling and grammar in a Word document. Okay. In today's class, we will going to discuss that how we can create a bulleted list and how we can create a numbered list. So why we create bulleted and numbered list? Because these lists help us to organize our text systematically. A bulleted list shows small symbols, usually black filled circles called bullets, before each item in the list. We can use different bullets from the available list in Microsoft Word. And numbered list, we can also add number instead of bullet in our list. We can use different numbering style in our MS Word document. Okay. So, when we create a numbered list and a bulleted list, our data is settled or organized systematically in our document. So I'm going to show you a video. Please listen the video carefully. With the help of this video, we will better understand the topic. So here is the video. Listen carefully. Okay. Yeah.
Hello children. Isha wants to create a numbered list for the months of the year and then check the spelling mistakes in the document. Help her complete the task.
So Isha wants to create a numbered list in her document. So how we
To
should
create a numbered list, Isha will need to first click on the area where she wants to start typing text.
So first of all, you will type where you want to write your list. Okay.
Then she will need to click on numbering icon on the home tab from the paragraph group.
Then you have to click on this numbered icon from the paragraph group. Paragraph group में आपको नंबर लिस्ट के लिए एक आइकन मिलेगा, आप उस पर क्लिक करेंगे.
She will need to type January and press the enter key. After writing the name of each month, she will need to press the enter key.
So यहाँ पे लिखा है जनवरी फरवरी, तो आफ्टर ईच मंथ यू हैव टू राइट एंटर. जब आप एंटर करेंगे तो यहाँ पे 1 के बाद में 2 आ जाएगा, देन 3, देन 4, देन 5. ऑटोमेटिकली आपकी जो नंबर लिस्ट है वो बनते चले जाएगी. ठीक है.
Now, to check the spelling, Isha will need to click on the review tab.
Then if you want to check the spellings of your document, then you will click on review tab.
From the proofing tab, she will need to click on spelling and grammar icon. The spelling and grammar dialog box will appear. If there is any spelling mistake, the word will be highlighted in red. Click on the correct spelling in the suggestions box.
Yeah, when you will write in, click on review tab, then you will find there spelling and grammar option. From the spelling and grammar option, you will find a spelling and grammar correction dialog box, and here you will find the spellings which you have written wrong in your document. So you can correct it from this.
Then she will need to click on change button. The confirmation message box will appear.
To correct your messages, to correct your spelling, you will click on correct button, and from the correct button, your all spellings will automatically correct, and then click on this OK button.
Finally, she will need to click on the OK button.
So by clicking on this OK button, your spelling will right, and your list will created here. Now I'm showing you to create how to create a list practically in MS Word document. So here is MS Word document is opening. So we are open this MS Word document. Yeah, in MS Word document like that, if you want to create a list here, then first of all you click on this numbering tab. Numbering tab पे हमने click कर दिया. Then we written here Sunday and press enter. Okay, click here and click on numbering tab and then press enter. Here you written Monday, then Tuesday, then वेडनेसडे. थर्सडे वेडनेसडे की स्पेलिंग मैंने गलत की है, थर्सडे की भी स्पेलिंग हम थोड़ा गलत कर देते हैं, ठीक है. देन फ्राइडे एंड देन सैटरडे. ओके, सो हियर इज द लिस्ट. तो आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे लिस्ट ऑटोमेटिकली बन गई है. नंबर लिस्ट जो है यहाँ पे क्रिएट हो गई है, ठीक है. Here is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 7 till 7 it's the number list and there are mistake of in 2 spellings. Okay, so click on this review tab. आप review tab पे click करेंगे, then click on this spelling and grammar. From spelling and grammar आपको यहाँ पे show हो जाएगा कि which spelling is wrong here. So you'll click on this. तो स्पेलिंग आपकी ठीक हो गई है. अब देखिए कौन सी स्पेलिंग गलत है, थर्सडे की स्पेलिंग गलत है. सो यहाँ पे सजेशंस हैं आपके पास स्पेलिंग के, तो आप इनमें से जिस भी सजेशन पे क्लिक करेंगे आपकी वो स्पेलिंग ऑटोमेटिकली राइट हो जाएगी. देन क्लिक ऑन ओके बटन. ओके पे क्लिक करते ही आपका एक लिस्ट क्रिएट हो गई है एंड ऑल द स्पेलिंग्स आर राइट. सो इट्स अ नंबर्ड लिस्ट like this, same as you can create bulleted list. Select this, we will select this and then from here we will click on this bulleted list. तो जैसे ही हम bulleted list पे क्लिक करेंगे यहाँ पे bullets बने हुए आ जाएंगे. There are so many type of bullets here. इनमें से कोई भी bullet आप अपने document पे set कर सकते हैं. Which bullet you want to set in on your document, you can set it here. And numbered also you can set on your document like 1 2 3 4 or like ABCD. These all are the number, like Roman में number and ABCD. These all are the numbered list. Okay, so there are two options. One is for bulleted list, one is for numbered list. Like this you can create your number list and also you can check the spellings and grammar from here. Okay, so now
That's great, children. All the months are in order and spelled correctly. The task is complete.
So now we have completed the task. We have create our list. Now here is the time for quiz. So it's a quiz for this chapter. The dash and dash check the feature MS Word to help you scan a document and identify the spelling and grammar. So which feature? Spelling and grammar feature. Check its spelling and grammar. So that's right. The spelling and grammar check feature of the Microsoft Word help us to scan a document and identify spelling and grammar error. Okay. Now it is necessary to check the spelling and grammar before submitting your document so that you do not miss out any. So check spelling and grammar. Why we check spelling and grammar before submitting a document? So the answer is if we do not miss out any word. कि हमने कोई वर्ड तो नहीं मिस कर दिया या हमने कोई कोई मिस्टेक तो नहीं कर दी है, ठीक है. सो दैट्स राइट. इट इज नेसेसरी टू चेक स्पेलिंग एंड ग्रामर बिफोर सबमिटिंग अ डॉक्यूमेंट. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. when the order in which the item of list appear is important, a alphabetical list, bulleted list, numbered list, none of above. When the order in which the item in the list appear is important. So it can be any type of list when the order in which the item of list is. So doing it bulleted करके देख लेते हैं. Yeah, that's right. When the order in which the item of list is important. Okay, important जो चीज़ होती है हम उसे bullet point में लिखते हैं ना. That is what. The spelling mistake highlighted by red wavy line. Yes, true. So next question, click on the numbering icon to apply page number at the bottom of the document. No, numbering icon से पेज नंबर नहीं आता है, so it is false. That's right. On the insert tab, click page number to apply the page number at the bottom of the document. पेज नंबर अप्लाई करने के लिए हमें पेज नंबर टैब पे क्लिक करना पड़ता है. So like this we have completed our today's topic. Remaining topic of this chapter we will discuss in our next class. Today we have created that how we can create a bulleted list and how we can create a numbered list in our documents. So that's all for today's class. I will share your homework in your class group. So do complete your homework in Interleaf notebook and submit your notebooks in the school for checking. And learn the chapter and do all the practical which I have discussed in the class. Thanks for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe and keep learning. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.